Okay, so good morning everyone and welcome back in today's class. Today we have a topics. Maybe we can pick up the knowledge management, or let's pick up from the knowledge management only. Let me remove this state. Okay. In in what I can say, in ITSM, even not in ITSM, even in your day-to-day life, knowledge play a very vital role. What do you mean by the knowledge? Anything which you have in your mind is a knowledge. Maybe bad, maybe good. वो होता है ना, ITIL as a process, data, then data you then data से तुम कुछ patterns बनाते हो, then knowledge बनता है, then wisdom बनता है. So something like that. Now the question comes, if I have something in my mind, that's good. I will be, maybe I'm not able to remember it for a long time. So what we do? We start writing on the pen and paper. With pen and paper, we start writing it and keep it in a some safe place. I tell you one example. Approximately 15 years back, when I go to a grocery shop with my father, he remember each and everything. भैया इतना ये दे दो, भैया इतना दे दो, भैया इतना दे दो, भैया इतना दे दो. Now he's old. He's 60 plus now, 65 approximately, 65, 66 he is. Now he not even don't remember the two or three things. He write it everything on the paper and then go. And that become a knowledge article for him, which he refer at the grocery shop and take the things. And believe me, we have this habit from now onwards. How many of you remember each and everything? If something your wife told, okay, Ronaldo, Ratul, or Ankit, bring these things from the market. What you do? We open the mobile phone, open the sticky notes, and start writing the things. वहां जाके बोलते हैं भैया ये दे दो सारा कुछ. Because we are not in habit to remember the things. When we don't have a mobile phone, we remember a lot of phone numbers as well. मुझे आज भी अपने फ्रेंड्स के 2 या 3 फ्रेंड्स के फोन नंबर याद है, लेकिन मुझे अपनी मम्मी का फोन नंबर, मोबाइल नंबर याद नहीं है. बिकॉज कभी कभी याद करने का मौका ही नहीं मिला, कभी समझ भी नहीं आया, क्योंकि फोन पे सेव होकर बात खत्म हो गई. ठीक है. सो इन एनी ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री, when you are working as a resource, what the company expect from you, what you know should be give back to us. मतलब जो भी आपको है, आप कम्युनिटी को देके चले जाओ. And that is the concept in service now we call as a knowledge management. Why management? Because how to process, how to store, where to store, what the process, who will approve any article is a knowledge management process. Maybe I am a resource and I'm writing something. My name is this, or I'm writing a kind of a document. Go to this server, log into this server, press X. It was very good in the beginning. It is not well. Now, if you see these 4 or 5 statements, you say, Atul, it's a lot of mistakes as well, grammar mistake as well. So we need a process on the top which can review this grammar. After that, I need someone who will review from the technical perspective. I give one example. In one of my account, a person executed a file in the production system and production went down for 2 days. Completely 2 days production down. It's very major issue, and on the organizational level, the acceleration was happened. Somehow they work for 2 days, 2 nights completely, and they bring the system back. Now the question comes, how this thing happened? That time I was working as a quality engineer. I sat with that particular person. I said, okay, tell me what you done on this incident. He says, Atul, this is the, sorry, what you done on this change? He says, Atul, this is a change. The documents are mentioned here. I said, okay, this is a task. I'm doing this task. Execute the file and it's done and dusted. I said, okay. In my initial report, I said that these are the steps has been taken by the person, which looks good as per my understanding. Then where is the fault? Again, I go back to that person. I ask, okay, did you find any issue on that night when you're doing this change? Have you called someone? Maybe किसी ने उसको कुछ बोला हो. नहीं, Atul, I was alone in that shift. Okay. You know each and everything. How long in the project? I'm near about 8 to 9 months now, and it is not the first time I'm doing the night shift or doing the change on the same pattern. Okay, fine. Come back, put the report. Nothing happened. Then again, my manager told, go back and ask again. Read the change. I download the change. Start reading the change. Implementation plan. I read it. Okay, please go to this particular file and run this file. I said, okay, by file, matlab SOP kind of things, it will be work fine. Okay, I again go back to that person. When manager say, okay, go back again. I go back again and say, okay, do this change again in the lower environment. He started using the same steps. He go to the server, he opened that file and he executed. Then dev also not working properly. Then we came to know that what has been written in this particular document file in a SOP. The thing is that SOP was a little older, which contains the wrong or the previous file name, not the latest file name. And that is the cause of that particular P1. So in this case, when I say that there should be, so now the concept says any article which you or your colleague or your teammate or your L1, L2 resource is preparing, there should be a process of approval, review, and this thing has been maintained in service. Now let me show you here. Let go here. After your batch, I need to be reset my instance now. It is in very bad shape. Okay, so here the 2 or 3 things important to be understand. Number one, there is a concept called the knowledge base. Let me show you this one. Knowledge. Okay, and I go here and I click on the create new. It's a process. We are not going to be discuss the process. Why I pick it up because it is little important to understand here. Some things are little important here. Let me click on the standard. Few concepts need to be discussed. This one. What is knowledge base? Let me start from Ankit. Ankit, what is knowledge base? Any idea?
A bigger warehouse of knowledge wherein articles are being stored for a specific division, specific domain, and wherein you create one, you can create an articles and relate to it depending upon the categories.
Acha, ठीक है. Ronald, what do you say?
It's a database of a certain type of knowledge article.
What certain type?
Typically, you have external knowledge base, internal knowledge base,
Okay.
HR knowledge base. So articles related to that area or that domain are located in each of those knowledge bases.
Okay. Surya, you have any idea on that part? Something you know? Okay. So basically, knowledge base says that I'll put actually this example in my trainings as well.
It can be treated as a digital library for a specific subject or a period.
ये तो पूरा service now is a complete digital library only.
True. As a knowledge base, suppose you have specific doubts on specific doubts to be clarified on certain topics. Knowledge base can define those certain topics on a
Knowledge
single.
base, no. Knowledge base, nothing defined. No.
Okay.
I'll tell you. Suppose when you go to library, okay, in library we have a different sections. English, literature, social science, sciences, chemistry, biology, physics, Sanskrit, Hindi, Urdu, Punjabi, right? Those are the different sections. You will not find a book of Urdu in Punjabi or in the literature rack, and vice versa as well. Okay. On the top of that, let me give you example. I'm from the Kushetra, and in Kushetra we have the university as well. In that university, we have a different departments. Like one department, when people do this kind of specific courses, MA or kind of MA, MSc people do, so they have a separate departments: physics, maths, stats, chemistry, Sanskrit, Urdu, Punjabi. All departments are there. Each department has its own library, and on the top of that, university also has its own library. So when I say that each department has its own libraries, I'm talking about the knowledge base here. That a specific set of documents for a specific set of customer, number one, or for a specific set of, I'll not say the category is not a right word actually. Specific, I say specific set of customer, you use a knowledge base here. So let me show you here. If I have something, so like this. Human resources, like examples I pick up by Ronald correctly. HR, governance risk compliance, field service, or you can say product wise, module wise you can say. Don't mix it with the category. क्योंकि हो सकता है गवर्नेंस एंड रिस्क में भी ईमेल का एक कैटेगरी हो और कंज्यूमर में भी ईमेल का एक कैटेगरी हो. So I'm saying don't mix with the category. You can say on the basis of the products. If I talk about the IT part, you can say on the basis of your customer as well. So let's say I want to build up a knowledge article in the consumer services. Okay. Now the another question comes. This thing. Valid up to. From where it has been come. It is depend on the knowledge base. You want to see, click here and open the knowledge base in the separate window. Your workflow has been designed on the knowledge base level. Article level पे कोई workflow नहीं है ServiceNow में. All the workload depends on the knowledge base. Maybe Ronald said that my every article should be reviewed after 6 months. Ankit says my article should be reviewed in the 3 months. Surya says my article should be reviewed after 1 year. So all these things has been depend on the your knowledge base. So if you go ahead and see, this is the thing which I want to show you here. So you can see title, article validity, you can put 365 days, 40 days, 50 days, you can put it. If you're not putting anything, it will pick up from the knowledge article, sorry, knowledge properties. Maybe you can go and see here properties. Properties, knowledge base, this thing you can check. Okay, so now let me come here. So number one, this is your knowledge base, and in the knowledge base you mention which workflow I need to be followed. ये complete workflows हैं. Now if you go back to the workflow and you open it, you will be able to see this thing. That what workflow has been assigned here. As the name indicate, instant publish. It means if you use this as a knowledge base in your knowledge article, it will directly go from new to publish. It will not ask for any approval in the meantime because it don't have any approval in the place. Maybe you can see here. Knowledge. See, approval publish means you have a approval process on the top of that. So these two type of workflows has been given by ServiceNow and you can use as per your requirement. Okay, then if I go here on the properties, let me see. Do we have any kind of this 365 validity? Valid to not from here, it's picking up. It's not picking up from here. Maybe they have something by default, they are coming from the scripting or something. Okay, So this particular knowledge base decide the flow of your complete knowledge article. Maybe for the consumer service, I have a this thing. Sorry, this one. ये वाला है. Maybe if I change it to the something else, let me say for HR. UK. Maybe one of my customers say, boss, for my UK one, you have to keep it like that. See, it is also using the instant publish. He is the owner as well, Raman Amarlal. Its application is the human core. Okay, there is one more concept comment knowledge article. If I go here and I show you something, because ये question interview पूछा जाता है. Let me click here. Yeah. What is non-error article? Any idea? What is non-error article?
Problem management.
What problem management? Yeah.
Problem management is, I mean, a known error is basically when there is a workaround, but the final I mean, it's a temporary solution. It's not a permanent solution. So that time a known error.
Achha, then what is the difference between non-error and the workaround?
No, a workaround is part of the known error.
Are you sure?
So we know about so the error is known about. There is no permanent fix for it, but there is a workaround. That is a known error article.
Known error is a terminology used in problem management wherein the issue has been already encountered in the past, and by knowing the evidences, we can tag a particular issue as known error. Wherein workaround can be a solution that is provided on live.
My simple point. What is non-error article? What is the definition? Now Surya is new in with us in the IT. How he will understand ki boss, what is non-error?
Okay, so a known error is basically an article that users, I mean the help desk team and other teams, can refer to if a user calls in for a problem for an issue that is already known, for which a documented workaround is available as part of that known error article, which can give the user a temporary solution until that issue is permanently fixed.
You will not believe, Ronald, after in the meantime, when I was listening to you, I forget that what is the crunch you'll be giving to me? What is the crunch you'll be giving to me after this definition? You started with something good, you added something else now. Surya, what do you think? What is non-error? I'm not pointing it, but sometimes these are the things as an interviewer you are looking for. And as an interview, you need to be tell. In the both side, it is be required. अगर हम कहानियां बनाते हैं ना कहीं बार, we get confused. And even सामने वाला भी confused होता है. अच्छा चलो बोल देना okay. क्योंकि nowadays what happens? It's a completely online interviews. वीडियो ऑन करी, वीडियो बंद करी, वीडियो हमारा ऑन रहता है, सामने वाले का वीडियो ऑफ रहता है. हमें नहीं पता उसको समझ में आया कि नहीं आया. And we say हाँ बहुत अच्छा इंटरव्यू गया, बहुत अच्छा इंटरव्यू गया. Surya, what you say? What is non-error now?
As per my understanding, I think the repetitive errors or the issues which the customers are facing, there will be a temporary solution, like the SOPs we call as SOPs, right, to sort that issue at that moment. So I think those kind of errors will be.
No. So non-error basic. Go ahead, Ronald.
Okay. So basically, it's a type of knowledge which can be used by the help desk to provide a temporary solution.
It is a type of knowledge which used by the servitors to provide a temporary workaround. Workaround. Example, okay. An example.
Yeah, sure. Let's say Outlook is not working.
Okay.
Okay. And the known error article is ask users to use Web Outlook
Achha.
and
Okay.
list out the website name and everything.
Okay, fine. So what we understood now is that something which is not working on the product level or the platform level, that is called the non-error. I give one live example. If you notice that maybe Ronald, you also replied on that post. I post on the LinkedIn that I'm not getting the birthday notification from the LinkedIn nowadays. It's more than 2 or 3 weeks now. Okay, I reach out to LinkedIn via Twitter. They say DM us, and I give a private message to them. Then they say that it is a non-issue for us, and there's a no workaround. I'm not sure that is a non-issue for us, or maybe I'm wishing everyone every day, so they kick out this notification from my bucket. So when something is not working on the platform or product level, that is become a non-error for me. आपके सिस्टम में कुछ काम नहीं कर रहा है, what you develop, it is not a non-error ना, because वो काम नहीं कर तो आपको फिक्स करना पड़ेगा. But if you develop something and due to that something is not working on the platform level or the product level, then it become a non-error article for me. Non-error article contains your workaround. That what workaround I can give to the customer so that it can be work upon or work by this way. Like if I take example, my phone is not working. I give one more example. A few 2 or 3 weeks back, I upgraded my wife OS. Okay, and after that, WhatsApp is not working as expected. You cannot download the audios, you cannot download the videos, you cannot send the audios, you cannot see the status as well. Then I check on the WhatsApp this thing application and see the previous reviews. Everybody is saying the same thing, that I upgraded my OS, it is not working. I upgraded this, it is not working. But what WhatsApp say, yes, it is a non-issue to us. We're working on that part. That is the example of the non-error. And what is the workaround? There's no workaround is available. People tried uninstall and install, someone lose their data. Even backup is also not happening. So people say, I try to change my phone, it work, but I lost my data as well. मतलब जो भी लास्ट बैकअप है उसके बाद का कुछ नहीं है उनके पास, ठीक है. सो दीज आर द नॉन एरर आर्टिकल्स. कंसेप्ट सेम है, इसमें और कोई फर्क नहीं है, जस्ट अ टैगिंग विल बी डिफरेंट and the by default knowledge base will become the non-error.
So meaning that probably non-error is something with the company or probably the service provider knows that already
Yes.
it has happened and multiple people has been reported those particular issues, right?
Right. Maybe I can say there is a server which I get it from the Microsoft. Until unless I not restart this server twice at the same time, it did not get up. And Microsoft know this thing that it is an issue here. That is a non-error. So in the non-error, you have to put the workaround. That what is the workaround here? You need to put the cause, that why this is be happening again and again. This is the concept of the non-error. And in short, what I want to tell you in the knowledge management part, that is the thing which you have to be do it here. Now, one more thing. Let me go back here. That is important. And LNG. When you publish any article for your customer, now how customer will use? Customer will use from the, I'm not talking about the service or the fulfiller. No, I'm talking about my customer, my end user. So suppose they will go here and they want to use any knowledge article. Let me say I want to use this thing. What are the phishing scams? How I can avoid? Now, if you are a customer, how you behave? You read this article, you have 3 actions to be taken. Number 1, you can give the rating. Okay, so I want to give 5 rating. Let me see if I in the down I have something here. Yes, here. Number 1, when I say 3 action, number 1, you can tell this article is good or not. I can say no. Someone says 50% found results as a useful. On the previous results they found it. Then I can give the rating. इसमें हाफ का कंसेप्ट नहीं होता, फुल हो गया कुछ नहीं होगा 3. ठीक है, सबमिट हो गई रेटिंग मेरी. नाउ थर्ड आई कैन गिव अ आर्टिकल here, comment as well. Did I get the option for comment? Here. Very bad article. And I click on the submit. Now the question comes, Atul, what is the purpose of all these three things? The thing is that if I want to improve my customer satisfaction, I need to be improve my knowledge articles as well, quality as well. So now what will happen? A knowledge manager in the background will get the emails of this feedback. Let me pick up this example. Let's go here. Okay. And I go here and now I'll search for the knowledge and I can open the all. क्योंकि इसके बेस पर you will going to be improve the things. How these three things captured in a knowledge article. Open and go and search it here. पहले ऐसा होता था, आज से 4-5 साल पहले ऐसा होता था कि एक ही रिसोर्स को सारे काम दे दिए, इंसिडेंट भी मैनेज कर ले, चेंज भी मैनेज कर ले, नॉलेज भी मैनेज कर ले. बट नाउ दिस कंसेप्ट हैज बीन चेंज. Companies are hiring specific roles. I want only a person who know or who has an in-depth knowledge about the knowledge articles, about the knowledge management, how you can optimize the knowledge management. That is the thing. So now if you scroll down, you can see here the feedback. Where is my feedback gone? Here is my feedback. Right? तो हमने 3 feedback दिए. Right? Number 1, we say it's not useful. Number 2, we put the rating, and number 3, we put the comment. So this is the first one, or the third one you can see here. इसमें बाकी दोनों नहीं आएंगे. No, you will not get that. So this is the first one. So knowledge manager has to be read all these comments that what customer are telling about me on this particular article so that I can improve it. It is a 451 ना, तो इसी के जैसा देखते हैं, कुछ और मुझे मिलेगा जैसे ये है. These two. If you open this two, this is for us or given by us only. See, rating 3. We have given the rating 3 and useful. Now on the basis of this feedback, knowledge manager will see and try to improve the knowledge article. That what went wrong here. Okay, so this is the overall picture of a knowledge management in ServiceNow, that how this has been defined. The only thing which I want to tell you here is that knowledge management का जो workflow रहता है, the workflow which we use, it's depend on the knowledge base, not on the knowledge article. You have now you see these two what I can say workflows here. Now go and open and check. Try to check this, that what they mention in this, which approval it is be going. Then you are able to see or understand that part. Clear till this point? Any doubt, any question? Anyone?
Yeah, so what you have opened is a knowledge article. And
this is knowledge
within the
article, right? We have a knowledge base,
okay.
right?
Okay, so within the knowledge article, you have a tab for the feedback where all the feedback gets saved.
Correct.
Right?
Here
And
you
you have a way to edit, sort of update that feedback. When you update that feedback, does it
No. I'm not. I cannot update the feedback. No, I will analyze this feedback and update my knowledge article now.
Okay,
So
no, but can you respond to that? Like
no, I cannot respond. No.
Okay.
किसको रिस्पॉन्ड करोगे? पूरे आर्टिकल को रिस्पॉन्ड करेंगे हम लोग? पॉसिबल ही नहीं है ये तो.
So within knowledge management there is a KFT also, no?
If you want to reply, you can still reply, but the practical example says that boss, you should upgrade your knowledge article. if a lot of negative feedbacks are there. I tell you one example. You go to Play Store, okay, and open the app which you installed and try to read the reviews there. On few of the review, that app on a reply, thank you for feedback, sorry to hear all these things, XYZ, all those things. Okay, they just give an acknowledgement, boss. Okay, मैंने आपका पढ़ा, ठीक है, let me try to improve that part, so that you can do it. That you can do just for the acknowledgement purpose.
No, that's not what I meant. So go back to knowledge, that previous window.
Okay.
Just click on this link to open that.
Maybe I'll open this one.
Now here, right now, these are the feed. This which is come. Okay, this is
Correct.
the feed which you provided. Now
Right.
over here, you can save, type in some work notes. You can say like, okay, amended the article or whatever.
Work notes are only for the internal purpose. It's not for the customer.
Yeah. This is just for tracking.
This is just for tracking, right? Maybe if I add something, let's see. Let's see if it's something I've written. Because if you want to reply back, you should go here only.
So what we did was we implemented knowledge feedback task. So once somebody flags the article, or puts it as helpful, not, and rates it below 3-star, it creates a knowledge feedback task. So that becomes like a ticket.
Correct. See, now I added it's come here as well. Good to know.
Okay. So
but this means that I'm adding in the article comments only directly. Because I log in as system admin. That is also one more thing is be there. So better if you want to reply, you reply from the portal itself. From here. Okay. That is the thing. So if you notice here, we have a flag as well, right? Flag means we need to take some action on this particular thing. That why it's with 3 now. It should be more than 4. So you can flag it. You can say, okay, guys, go and review this article once again on the production system. Can we optimize this? Can we put some more? Can we put some screenshots? Can we put more better examples? Can we do the formatting for this one? Maybe I give a feedback very bad because I don't like this have the paragraphs. It should be limited one. It should be like a screenshot as well. Spear phishing. कौन पढ़ेगा बैठ के 15 लाइनें 10 लाइनें? If they put something on the screenshot, it is easy to understand. Formatting क्या है? Formatting होता है, it should be Control Z. So that it should be a proper justified. Maybe multiple reasons are there which customer can provide the feedback on the parameters. And then these things has to be taken care of. Like I give one thing. I uploaded a few videos in the beginning of on the YouTube channel approximately a year back. I'm still getting comments on the same. Music is disturbing. Your voice is not clear. Please use, even someone mentioned, please use the good headphones. And I reply back on the top. I said accepted that part because this was the initial days. I don't have much knowledge about the good headphones and all the things. But now I have a proper recording mechanism on my place by which I'm using it and I'm giving a good quality now. Please go to my latest videos and share the feedback. Because पुराने में तो मैं change कर नहीं सकता videos पे. Articles I can change it. These things. Okay. So these are the things which we need to be understand. That how this concept work actually. What is the purpose of this feedback? If you're getting any feedback, why it is 3, why it is 2, what is 1? Maybe if you know this user from the IT company only, you can directly contact to that user. Okay, boss, tell me what was the issue you're facing? Why you put this comment? What we should improve? You can reply back. Please share the inputs to improve. ठीक है ना, मैं कस्टमर से पूछ के देखता हूँ, क्या पता उसको कुछ आइडिया हो, बता देगा भाई क्या करना है इसमें. So these are the things we have to be track it, and that is the reason nowadays company is hiring for a specific role only. I literally saw a lot of proposals nowadays. They say I am specifically hiring for a problem manager only. Specific. They don't say you need the knowledge of the change or no. I'm just looking for the problem manager. I'm looking for the knowledge manager. I'm looking for the release manager. I'm looking for the change manager, because they want to optimize their individual modules as well now, and that is the reason they are coming up with these specific rules and responsibilities. क्लियर हो गया यहाँ तक फंडा? एनी डाउट, एनी क्वेश्चन? रोनाल्ड ऑल ओके? एनी डाउट स्टिल?
No, clear.
Okay, good. Ankit and Surya.
Yeah, clear.
Okay, great. Let's come to the next topic here. Dictionary. In simple word, what is the meaning of the dictionary? Dictionary means where a lot of words has been mentioned with their meaning, with their synonyms, some things, with their what I can say, pronunciations, their nouns, their verbs has been mentioned. That is called the dictionary. In ServiceNow, what is a dictionary? Go here and go to the dictionary. The fields which you are able to see, the attributes which you are able to see are the dictionaries. They're coming from the dictionary. And what the concept we are going to be read about the dictionary overview and dictionary override. So overview says that any field which you create on your table level, it's stored into the dictionary. If I click on the new, it means I'm creating a new field into the knowledge table. You can say it will go in this particular table and you can put a type here. मतलब जो हमने tables columns बनाए same is called the dictionary as well. Now the question come, Atul, then what is the dictionary override? In Ronald and her wife is talking about to get some new things for the house. Ronald said, let's take a fridge. Her wife said, let's take a AC. And Ronald kid come into the picture and say, no. Let's take a new bed. And he overrides everything. He overrides everything and everybody make a decision, yes, it can be done. Now the thing is come that, Atul, how this thing applicable in ITSM or in the service now? Remember the fundamental here. When we created, let me show you here. Go to the table. Okay. Table here. Okay. And let me open the incident table. Incident table कहाँ से आ रहा है? Task table से. Now, if you notice sometime, let's take example that someone change his name. Like I take example. In North, our name is first name and the last name or the surname I say. Like my first name is Atul and my last name or my surname I took it from my father. It's Grover. But specifically in Maharashtra, the first name, middle name and the last name. First name of that particular person, middle name, they take it either from the from the husband or from the father, and the last name they take it from the father's surname. But that is not a trend in North. So generally this question has been asked to us in my kids' admission. What is the middle name? I said there is no middle name. And this surprise, why? I said I'm from the North and we follow this practice only. Okay. So now the thing comes that suppose if I'm extending or I'm creating a table incident from the task table. Task has a field called a number. Okay, task में field है number, right? Incident also has a field called the number. But on my incident form, I want to show that number as an incident number, not just as a number. Let me repeat again what I'm trying to say here. On a task table, I have a field called number. Let me try to find out. Okay. नंबर यार हमें क्या नंबर ढूंढना था? हाँ ये वाला ठीक है. On the on the task field, I have a field called number. And on the incident table, when I extend, जब मैंने incident table बनाया task table से, तो same चीजें मेरे पास भी आ गई. Same field come into my bucket as well. If you see here. Here. Now on the incident table, on this table, incident table, I want to change this name from number to incident number or INC number. This concept is called the dictionary override. मतलब कि इसको प्रैक्टिकली हम लोग नहीं करते और प्रैक्टिकली हम इसको अवॉइड भी करते हैं. ठीक है. एंड अगेन फ्रॉम द कंसल्टिंग पर्सपेक्टिव वी शुड जस्ट नो दिस थिंग कि बॉस क्या होता है. ठीक है. दिस कंसेप्ट इज कॉल्ड द डिक्शनरी ओवरराइड. सो नाउ व्हाट आई विल शो यू, आई विल गो हियर. Let me search for the override. नहीं. Need to see from the DICTI. कहाँ गए? डिक्शनरी हमने देखा ना. I'm here after this. Okay, let me see. Let's say example that I want to be change this override. Number ALM license. नहीं इसमें नहीं है. Let me go and check it here only. Let me open this. बड़ा ही confusing topic लगता है मुझे ये कई बार तो. Let me open the incident number in the number field in the incident table. So we need to be override this value. So what you can override? You can override a name. Okay. You can override what I can say on that front. If a field is mandatory in a parent table and you don't want to make it mandatory on a child table, then you can do the dictionary override. Okay, let me go and see any other view is available. Only one view is there, and that is the ALM. This is again I can say from the asset table is there. I'm looking for one thing which say dictionary override. Let me go here and open it. I get confused with this define a dictionary override. There's a step has been defined. And this is important from the interview perspective. Generally they ask what is dictionary override and why and what is the UI policy. क्योंकि UI policy और dictionary override में बहुत दोनों में आप सेम काम करते हो. ठीक है. They mention go to system definition dictionary, open the record in the dictionary override related list. Okay, yes, this is what I'm looking for. Let go here dictionary and let me search for a number. अब इसको incident number से कैसे करें? I have 3592. Base table. Give me a minute. इसमें देखें tables है क्या कुछ? Let me see if I get a table here. Table reference है good. It will be easy for us to be search now. अरे false क्यों भाई? सारे रिकॉर्ड से तो सारे false हैं नहीं. Which one I can pick up? Assignment group. स्पेलिंग ठीक है ना? इसमें सब देखना पड़ेगा which one ALM नहीं चाहिए हमें. Filter out. So like this we have. Let me try to open it. Let's say if I get something here, assignment 2. I'm just looking for this particular things only. In the we get a related tab here, dictionary override. In this one, yeah. So you can see here. Okay. Dictionary override. And here you can mention that what you want to override for this particular field. In the ALM entitlement, okay, this is a table. I want to override something, and what I want to be override, you can click here. So you can override the reference qualifier. It is very interesting topic. Generally, ये बहुत carefully करना पड़ता है हमें. First of all, as a consultant, we should avoid कि boss नहीं करेंगे हम. Otherwise, it can create a little bit problem on the upgrade time. So what action you can do? You can override the reference qualifier. Maybe on the task table, it is showing from the user, but on the my table, I want to show it from the group. So I can override and put the new qualifier here. Override dependent. In the task table, it is depend on the, what I can say, country code, which I want to remove it from here. Override attribute. You want to put a new name here, number and task number. Override default value, override calculation, override mandatory, override read only, and override display value. With the help of the dictionary override, you can make a change on these things. Now the question comes, why we need to do this thing? Sometime, suppose I'm building an application, okay, or I'm building a module. I created my table from the task table. Now I have no choice to create a new field. मेरे पास नया field बनाने का कोई choice नहीं है. But I need a field which can be represented to the group. So in this case, I can override my previous value, and you can utilize this particular option there. This is called the dictionary override. Maybe I cannot show it here because I'm not sure that which table it is or which form it is. But you can see it here. It says that earlier values are like this. If you want to do, you can make a change here as well. This is my base table, and this is my created table. This one. So now if you want to make a change, you can make a change on these 6 to 7 parameters. Reference qualifier, dependent. So in short, what I want to tell here, let me show you here. If I do the dictionary override on an incident table, okay, suppose what I can do via dictionary override, I can change the name of caller to my caller, number 1. I can change a reference from user table to the group table. If I am doing the dictionary override on the subcategory, I can remove the dependency as well. Ki boss, abhi subcategory depend on the category. Maybe I remove that part by dictionary override. Okay, so these 5 or 6 options you can use, operation you can do at your side when you do the dictionary override. But that should be the last option. If you want to make a change or you want to make a variable useful there. Generally नाम हम change कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, चलो नाम change कर लो, कोई problem नहीं है. But we avoid doing this dependency or reference field changes. Clear? Any doubt till this point?
So dictionary override is only to probably Add a new field on the form page, edit a
No,
new
no, no,
field.
no, 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 wrong words. It is not adding a new field. No, it is changing the behavior of the existing field. देखो मैंने अंकित देखो मैंने यहाँ पे कोई नया फील्ड नहीं बनाया नहीं अंकित who is staying in Delhi and if that Ankit come to Pune उसका नाम उसका डेट ऑफ बर्थ चेंज नहीं हो रहा है उसके एट्रीब्यूट्स में चेंज करो पहले वहां वो अंकल था पुणे में आके ड्यूड बन गया है राइट उसको पहले मतलब कि दैट इज अ वन थिंग ही वाज अ सेल्स पर्सन नाउ ही इज अ बिजनेसमैन ये मैं उसके एट्रीब्यूट्स उसके बिहेवियर को चेंज कर रहा हूं मैंने नया अंकित बिल्डअप नहीं किया पुणे में अंकित इज सेम but I'm changing his behavior now, his parameters now, his qualities now. अंकित पहले पार्टीज नहीं करता था बट पुणे में आके पार्टीज करता है यस मेक इट एज अ पार्टी पर्सन नाउ मैं ये कर रहा हूं नया इफ यू से न्यू फील्ड believe me if you say new field in the beginning it means you're talking about the customization and that is not a customization this is a configuration only I'm doing here so be careful on your words as a consultant. Now ask Ankit. Is clear or any other doubt?
Okay. If you can give me more examples on dictionary override, because this is something which I've not worked or probably heard about it, but not worked at all.
So that I'm saying that dictionary override basically means I'm not able to get this number here. Otherwise I can show you. Let me try to open it. Configure dictionary. Let's see. Go here. Let it be open here. Yes, so now you can see here dictionary override. Okay. Suppose I want to change the behavior of this particular system now because it is coming from the task table, so I cannot make a change. Okay, let's go here and see what I can do. Okay, it says this particular field which you open, it's coming from the task table. Number one, on which table you want to make a change? I want to make a change on the incident table. नहीं होगा क्योंकि यहाँ पर उसको बेस टेबल के ऊपर आप चेंज नहीं कर सकते आपको इंसिडेंट टेबल ओपन करना पड़ेगा मुझे इंसिडेंट टेबल देखना पड़ेगा लेट मी गो हियर ऑन द इंसिडेंट टेबल जस्ट गो बैक बिकॉज फॉर टू चेंज एनीथिंग यू नीड अ चाइल्ड टेबल एज वेल कि आप कहां से एक्सट्रैक्ट करके लेके आ रहे हो उसके पास let me see if I can put something here location नहीं डिक्शनरी एंट्री है ना इसमें नहीं होगा configure and table let me find out the number here let's try to do that part नंबर कितने फील्ड हैं इसके अरे बाप रे इतने सारे अच्छा बिकॉज आई हैव दिस थिंग यार शिट बिल्कुल टेबल है क्या यहाँ पे टेबल रेफरेंस तो है और कुछ भी है टेबल it should not be true or false नहीं यार so what I can say is because I have a lot of plugins installed so it's showing more than 3500 for me it is tough for me to find out maybe I can pick up this as example तो कमाल का देखना अगर लग जाए तो like this is for the assessment part right this is the assessment table and let's see if I have a dictionary override नहीं इस पर dictionary override नहीं कर सकते आप let me go back let me do a matching here सॉरी ACL कहाँ से आ गई? Let me do this thing. Show matching. अरे बाप रे इतने सारे नंबर्स हैं यार ये तो. Let me open some other number. नहीं सेम. Surya, what is your password here? Let me try to show you here because Surya don't have a multiple plugins.
Just a minute, I'm calling.
Yes, please. Let's try to do that. In the meantime, let me show you here what else you can do. These things are important actually. Base table and the table. So it says that on which table you want to override it. This list show only tables and database view that are in same scope as a dictionary override. मतलब इसमें scoping होना same है, मतलब global and global only can be work upon. Otherwise it will not work. And let's go here. Okay, thanks Surya. So it says go to dictionary. This concept we are following, go to dictionary and open the record of the field. Now I can search for the table. And here I can search for the number. अरे ऐसा क्यों हुई? Parent, problem ID, location, severity. Okay, let me pick up the severity here. Why it's not showing me the dictionary right here? Let's take this one. Let's try to do this part if I'm able to do this thing. Let it be load. Like this. Okay, so now you can see it is already has a 2 times this thing. So I have a field called number on the task table. When I click on the dictionary override, I can see 2 times this has been overwritten, one on the problem table and one on the problem task table. Let me try to do it on the some other table now. Let's see. So it says, boss, you are on the task table. Which table you want to be override? In which table you want to be override? I said, let me see inside table is there or not. Yes, inside table is there. Number 1, change the reference qualifier. Okay, change it. This underscore user. Okay. Override attribute. I number. I'm just putting a lot of things here. Maybe Surya, you can go and delete this after that. Otherwise, it can create a problem. Make a mandatory here. Make a display value here. Okay. And override this. Read only yes. Dependent I don't want. Default value Atul. Okay. Let's save it now. These are the just kind of a practical things we'll be doing here. Now I'll go here, dev, and at last incident dot do. Let's see what happened with the field called number now. So now you can see here. It is not showing the my number 1 point. Not sure that why. Maybe it is be changing in the background. So one thing has been changed here. You can see here, Ankit. We done the default value as a Atul, so it's showing Atul here. But in the task table, from the task table what it was showing? It was showing the incident number. We make it as a read only. It's showing me the read only as well. Display value maybe I can change. Now let me save it and reload this page. Now you can see. So this is the example of our dictionary override here, guys. Ankit, clear now? Or any other doubt?
Much better.
Yeah. So generally these things we have to be do very carefully, and we do see that do we actually need to do this thing or not. Okay. So now you can see here that it is a third time we're changing the behavior of the same field, and that is on the incident table. Earlier it was done on the 2 times on this problem and problem task. Now we are changing the behavior on the incident table as well. Maybe you can change the behavior for the change as well. Atul, I don't want anything else. So you can see here on the problem table, what they change it. They just make it as a read only, nothing else. They say the problem number should be read only always. Cleared out? Any other question here? Ronald Surya.
It's not very recommended that we change dictionary settings or probably the nomenclature accordingly. But any examples like we face in day-to-day project life that where we require to change some entries on dictionary entry, like
it is very rare actually.
only I have
Few things service now given out of the box. Like you can see here, the problem and problem task is already given by service now. The best or what we recommend, you change these only parameters, mandatory, read only, or the display. Don't try to make a change in the referencing and all the things. Okay, because if you make a change here, maybe you need to be take care of the complete background logic as well. So these things we can do. So if you notice, if you go back and open the problem task, just scroll down and see here. In the problem task as well, what they did, open it. They did not change anything. They just changed the read only. That is expected behavior. You can do it. Okay. You can do this thing via UI policy as well. But on the UI policy, you have to be give a condition that on which condition this should be worked. Here there is no condition. It is be completely overwritten from the previous behavior. Clear now, Ankit? Yes, Ankit. Surya, Ronald. अरे कोई नहीं बोल रहा यार, ऐसे कैसे हो गया? Okay. Okay, so with this we completed these 3 topics as well. Okay, and tomorrow we'll pick up something new. Maybe I can pick up the database view that has been pending for us. I'll try to put something on the adaptive filter, and we'll see something on the GRC part tomorrow. Okay. So let me stop the recording here, guys, first and